Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are moving into a house, so very many more videos to come because I love our kitchen and it's wide open, and I may show some clips of me cleaning today, so enjoy. So excited to show you guys our new house and to do more videos for you guys, and I'm so pumped. Hopefully that's better content. I'm so pumped because we will now have a room for our animals and I am in it. I can't wait to show you guys the progress once it's done. I'm so pumped for more content for you guys and for you guys to hopefully enjoy more from us and are able to actually like our videos and watch them longer as well. So enjoy, and we will take you along our ride of moving, cleaning, and more. So enjoy. For our move-in to keep me on track on what I need to clean, etc. So bedroom 1, well, bedroom 2 floors, got that done, so I can check that off. That kind of works. So our master I just put as bedroom 2. And I already got master bedroom baseboards done, so I can mark that off too. Staying on check, guys. Staying on check. Today is what is it? Saturday. Poor Kayla. Poor Kayla. Clean marks off the floor. May have to come back to do this, but I did get a couple of the spots done with this mechanism that I have going on here. So I'm gonna have to do the living room floors another time. I did the bedroom, our bedroom. I'm trying to do the things that are gonna get the items in them like probably tomorrow. So as of right now, I am redoing the living room floor because all the floors are really disgusting. So the living room floor is gonna be done a second time, and I did the bedroom 3 times and probably will do it again. But as of right now, we do not have water, so I'll show you guys what I'm using. As of right now, I'm using this that I'm taking I'm filling it up from the old, I'm sure I could ask the neighbor, but I'll be that person. So I'm filling that up and taking it from the old house and bringing it to the new house so I can have water to clean what I need to until we get water hooked up, because they can't come until, so that is where we are at. So I'm going to do the living room floor again, and possibly even the bedroom floor, depending on how much water I have left. But I am gonna make a load to the old house, try and pick up some more stuff, and then come back and clean some more as well. So I will keep you guys tuned and try and video everything that I can for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I got the living room floor done. I got the outside lanai window done. And yeah, we're moving on to the next things, folks. I'm gonna go home, pick up some more items and try and get some more stuff moved in here. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, and I will get back with you guys soon on the next process of what I'm doing. Right now I'm gonna go home, pack some more stuff up, or grab some boxes that I do already have some stuff packed in, and come back, clean some more, and I will show you guys the process. So once again, enjoy. I'm so tired from this process. As you guys know, with the whole C word going on, normally we have help when we move. We haven't moved in a while. And basically I'm doing all of the small stuff by myself, and normally I have my sister's help, and well, I don't now. So we are taking things slowly, and we're thankful that we can with this new place, because we are paying for our old house and this house at this time. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and continue to like and subscribe and comment to our channel. We love you guys so much, and we can't wait to have more content for you guys, and the new content should be way much better than the old, so enjoy. And I love saying enjoy, and I feel like I say it way too much, but enjoy. So I'm on my way back to the old house to pack some things up and try and get back to here before my husband gets off. I'm trying to do all the small things by myself. I will accomplish this. I will.
We love you, Titi. We miss you.
No, Titi Lacey.
Why would Titi Lacey? Love you, Titi Lacey. Why would Titi Lacey?
Focus. Oh, miss you.